Oh, hi my lovelies, welcome to Lean Bella's Kitchen. My name is Jan and today we are going to make Cajun Shrimp Skillet. This is very simple, very easy. I put together this natural food enhancers, all these spices, this wonderful spices. It's very earthy, it smells divine, and you are going to love it. So let me show you how to make it. Let's start by making our Cajun seasoning. Smoked paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, chili powder, cayenne, dried oregano, salt, mix to combine, and we're going to divide it into two. Half will go to season the shrimps and half for later. Now make sure that you toss the shrimp well and make sure that they are coated with all the seasoning. Heat the pan with oil, add the butter, and wait until the butter melts, and then add the shrimps. We're going to cook the shrimps for about a minute on each side, or when they start curling and getting firm. Once they're done cooking, you're going to remove them from the pan and set them aside. Use the same pan, add the onion, saute, add the garlic, continue sauteing, add the bell pepper, and cook until tender. Then add the rest of the seasoning, add a little bit more salt, then add the shrimps back to the pan, stir to combine, and then garnish with parsley.